this video, I show you how to fix incoming and outgoing call not working problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for phone app, click on phone, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow phone permission, location permission, allow contact permission. Now go back. Now click on search settings, search for reset settings or reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Click on it, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now select your SIM here, 1 or 2. Now click on reset settings. Now click reset settings. Now click on network and internet. Now turn on airplane mode, then off it. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix incoming and outgoing call not working problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.